Manginibingelele bazalwane egameni lenkosi nomfeli wethu Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Amen. Ngiyathemba ukuthi inkosi yomusa isasigcinile nani isanigcinile bandla lase-Orange Farm. Nihleli ke emakhaya niphephile njengokucebisa ke kahulumeni. UThixo ke simthandazayo nginethemba ukuthi uzosigcina asilondoloze. Namuhla ke icawa ngenxa ke yesimo songahlangani kwebandla sizocawela ke kuyo ngalendlela ukuthi nelizwi kaNkulunkulu lifike emakhayeni ethu. Sizothola ke ilizwi lethu namhlanje uma ke sifunda ivangeli lika Luka ichapter eka 24. Ngizocela ke ukuthi emakhaya sifunde from verses 13 sizisime ku verse 35, kodwa ngenxa yesikhathi angizokwazi ukulifunda lonke. Ngizofunda nje from verses 15 ngime ku verse 21. Lifundeka ke ngalendlela. Kwathi besakhuluma bebuzana, uJesu uqobo wasondela wahambisana nabo, kepha amehlo abo ayebambekile ukuba bangamazi. Wathi kubo, zindaba zini lezi enikhuluma ngazo omunye nomunye nihamba na? Base bema benyukumele. Omunye nguKleophase igama lakhe waphendula wathi kuye, wena uyisihambi eJerusalema, ungoyedwa ongazazi izinto ezenzekileyo khona ngalezi zinsuku na? Wayesethi kubo, zinto zini na? Bathi kuye, ngoJesu waseNazaretha, obengumprofethi onamandla ngesenzo nangezwi phambi kukaNkulunkulu nabantu bonke, ukuthi abapristi abakhulu nababusi bethu bamkhaphela ukunqunyelwa ukufa baze bambethela esiphambanweni. Thina ke besithembile ukuthi nguye ozakuhlenga uIsrayeli. Kodwa phezu kwalokho konke sekulusuku lwesithathu lezo zinto zenzekile. Leli ke lingilizwi lamazwi kaNkulunkulu wethu, makaligcine ke alilondoloze namanje ukuze kube phakade naphakade. Amen. Namuhla ke bazalwane, icawa yesibili emva kwecawa yovuko, and kuleli vangeli we encounter amadoda amabili kwevangeli lika Luka walking from Jerusalem eya eEmmaus. Ivangeli ke lika Luka lasixoxela ukuthi lolu was the same day of the resurrection, and despite ukufakaza okanye ubufakazi buka Maria ukuthi bayibonile inkosi, abakholwa lobo bufakazi. So they also display disbelief, ukungakholwa hayi kuphela kwilizwi elikwizibhalo ezingcwele ngeziprofeto zikaJesu, kodwa bakhombisa ukungakholwa amazwi kaJesu uqobo, lapho uJesu khona ethi noma bengalibhidliza elithempeli, yena ngaphinda lakhe ngezinsuku ezintathu. And so today, on the same day of uvuko, usuku lwesithathu elithempeli libhidliziwe, lamadoda amabili ngenxa yokuthi sebelahle ithemba bafulathela iJerusalema, and they walk to Emmaus. Bafuthalela okanye bafulathela amathemba abo ayehleli eJerusalema, and in sadness and in hopelessness they walk to Emmaus. Iphelile into ebithethwa as far as they were concerned. Bese singekho isidingo for them to stay in Jerusalem. And so they walk from Jerusalem to Emmaus. Was a display of them giving up, was a display yokuthi amathemba abo asephelile, a display yokuthi ukukholwa kwabo sekuphelile, and in their space of giving up, in their space yokuphelelwa lithemba, in their space yokuphelelwa lukholo, lithi iBhayibheli, Jesus draws near, uJesu wasondela wahamba nabo. Kodwa bona, they did not recognize uJesu, kodwa yena uJesu ebehamba nabo. Ngoba noma singamboni uJesu, kodwa in our darkest times yena uhamba nathi. The hymnist uyafakaza after looking back in his darkest days, athi kanti uYesu uyandibona xa ndilila njalo. Bangcwele, we worship a God ohambe eceleni kwethu when we are powerless. uJesu othi noma kumnyama yena he draws eduzane kwethu. We might think our disbelief ukuphela kokholo kwethu kuyasihlukanisa noThixo, kodwa elivangeli liyasifundisa ukuthi walikwenza lokho, kodwa yena uThixo draws closer to us, ahambe nathi. And so God walks with them even though bona bengamboni uThixo. And so I just want to say ukuthi even in our darkest times, where we feel ukuthi uThixo kude nathi, where we don't feel God next to us, this gospel teaches us that God draws near us even though we may fail to recognize that it is indeed God ohambe eceleni kwethu. And so lithi iBhayibheli, xa efika uJesu kubo, uyabafica bayaxoxa bajulile kwingxoxo yabo. Umefika kubo uyababuza uthi izindaba zini lezi nikhuluma ngazo, what are you speaking about? Lithi iBhayibheli, bavele bama, xa bema bamiswa ukumangala. uKlephasi wambuza wathi, ngubani wena? Uyisihambi into? Are you a visitor in this place? Ungazazi izinto ezenzekile. Wathi uJesu, ziphi izinto? What things are you talking about? Xa bemphendula bathi, the things about Jesus. Izinto ezingoJesu, bathi the things about Jesus obengumprofethi onamandla ngesenzo nangamazwi. Bathi uJesu abaphristi abakhulu bamkhaphela ukuthi wabulawa ngisho esiphambanweni. Thina ke besithembile ukuthi yena noJesu uye ozosikhulula, kodwa manje sebembulele. And so uJesu wabaphendula, wabavulela izibhalo, wababuza uthi bekungafanele yini ukuthi uKristu ahlupheke azangene enkazimulweni yakhe. Emva kwalokho lithi iBhayibheli, uJesu wabavulela iziprofetho zikaMose neziprofetho zabanye abaprofethi, wabacacisela izibhalo nokuqondene ngaye uJesu uqobo lwakhe ukuthi kumele adlule ezinhluphekweni kodwa uzawuvuka. And so Jesus changed the shape of their conversation. For their conversation was about giving up. It was about ukunikezela. It was about ukuphelelwa lukholo. It was about hopelessness. But Jesus reminded them that after his suffering came victory. The story of Jesus ayiphelelanga at the suffering. So Jesus reminded them, after his death came resurrection, and Jesus is alive. So what things are you talking about? So what things is the church talking about? What things is the country talking about? Are those things leading us to losing hope ukuphelelwa lithemba? Is it the things of the virus? Is it the things of the infection rate? Is it the things about how imisebenzi yethu will be affected? Is it the things of ukuphelelwa lithemba? Jesus invites us to open the scriptures that tell us that beyond the pain comes joy. The scriptures that tell us ukuthi in the night sadness and pain and suffering may endure, but joy comes in the morning. The things that tell us ukuthi asikho isikhali esilungiselwe thina esawuphumelela. The things that Jesus will be with us until the end of time. These are the good news. Jesus invites us to remember the good news ukuthi nakuyo lentunguzi uJesu yena uhamba nathi. For it is better to walk in the darkness with Jesus kunokuhamba wedwa ebumnyameni. And so Jesus invites us namhlanje to change the shape of our conversation, to change the things esikhuluma ngazo, from hopelessness to hopefulness, from loss of faith to faithfulness. And so Chico invites us today to change the shape of our conversation and to open the scriptures that will remind us ukuthi uJesu unathi kuze kube sekupheleni kwesikhathi nakubo lobumnyama uhamba nathi uThixo. Khumbulani bangcwele that even though ungangamuzwa esecaleni kwakho, kodwa yena useceleni kwethu, uhamba nathi, uza kusiphakamisa asivikele. uNkosi yomusa inigcine inilondoloze kulobumnyama esibhekene nabo. Ukhumbule ukuthi asahambi sodwa, kodwa sihamba naye uJesu olithemba lethu, osiphakamisayo, osiphilisayo. Noma kubukhona ubumnyama, kodwa ukukhanya nakho kuyaphila, kukhona. Inkosi yomusa inigcine inilondoloze egameni loYise nelendodana nasegameni likaMoya oNgcwele manje kuze kube phakade naphakade. Amen.